Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bonez TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV, cause I just a blessing, manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyla, scatter.
But I have work today, so when I come off this live, we're going to have to go into the Google Classroom. Papa, we're going to hurry up and do it, okay? And they can come back outside. That's fine. Be careful. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. I'm just going to get straight to it. So, I've lost 5 pounds since Saturday, right? I was on, 4 pounds since. Oh, Jolly, look at the bird. Look at the bird. Look at the bird. The bird. Is it the bird? Oh, it's gone. Yeah, so Saturday I was at 155. Today I'm at 151. But this morning when I woke up, I was at 153. I started back my day at the gym. Oh, hi, Auntie Vasilia. Hi, Eldiva. Hello. Tell him hi. Hello. Hello. I love you. Good day. Good day. Hello, everybody. Hello. Hello. What are you doing? Why are you so wet? What are you doing? Right, so I woke up this morning at 1:53. Then I went to the gym. Today's the first day back at the gym. Yes, I'm in pain. I could not finish the workout. That's beyond the point. The point is, when I got back home, I was 151 pounds. No. I live a little bit further from the gym. I go to the gym in Portland. Andrea said, I know, it's Jelly, let's tell her I. Yeah. No, though, you cannot leave. Jonathan, where are you going? But you cannot leave. You can just get up and go to me, Jonathan. I not ask me nothing, Papa. I not say work. You know that. You cannot, no. Okay, hurry. No, Jalil, you definitely cannot go. Look, them telling you hi. Them say hi. No, on the phone. Hi. Hello. Jalil, you cannot go. I want to go to Daniel. You cannot go. Come here, stand up. Come here. Please don't go. Come here. Come here. Your rubber drop. I can't bend over and take it up because that's going to be pornography. Come here. Jel. You cannot go. It's not safe. You're picking up your rubber? Your rubber? Your rubber? Your rubber. Okay, you have your rubber now. You need help. Oh, help, mommy. Help, mommy. Okay. Right, so what I've been doing is I did it Saturday, Sunday, and today, Monday. Zine. Have you guys heard about the coffee and lime diet? Okay, so I'm on a strict ass diet. I'm doing OMAD, which is 1 meal a day. But I'm not a healthcare professional. What I am doing may be extremely unsafe. I do not recommend it for everybody. Yes. Yes. Yes, you hear that? Unsafe. It's not apple. Where you say apple? It's Jonathan. Run, Jonathan. Run. Jalil, where dash for your rubber? Jonathan, take up your rubber. Yeah, so I'm doing OMAD, which is 1 meal a day. But remember, sugar daddy. Mama Rati, Jalil, I can't just jump down, sir. Sorry, guys, I just want to get to the point. The point is, I'm doing OMAD. I've lost 2 pounds since this morning. Woke up at 153. I'm now 151. I've been drinking a lot of water. Can't tell when last time I drink juice. Friday, I went out Friday. So I went to my Timber Lounge. Shout out to Timber Lounge. Shout out to Kayla. That's my waitress. Whenever I go, I make sure that Kayla serves me. So, yeah, and there I had I had the is it lamb? Like the lamb chop something. That with mashed potato. Then later on the night me eat burger. So I was 155. I'm a drink too, I don't know so I'm a drink. So and not malt like an antibacillar drink, like me drink the real Guinness. Real thing antibacillar, not the malt. None of that road here. So Johnny Land doesn't drink about it. That's not the point. The point is, Jesus Christ, the coffee. The lemon coffee. So it's people use the lime or lemon and squeeze it in, but I use my Latin coffee from TLC. I'm using lemon juice. Now I recommend the Latin coffee. Yeah, because I sell it. I'm gonna get $20 every time when I buy a pack. But also it has flavor in it. It has like a caramel flavor to it. Yeah, like a caramel flavor to it. And it get a little lime, just like a kick. If I did just source of coffee, I don't know why people drink coffee without sugar, but anyway, so I don't add sugar to mine. So I do the Latin and then I just throw in the lime juice. What me tell you say that suppress your appetite. Mommy. What me tell you say, yes, Papa? Mind the language. I'm not using the language, I say suppress your appetite. Okay, say no. Yes, honest to God, that's what I said. Yeah, turn on that little bit of Jonathan, come at the pan live. Yeah, so but it suppresses, and the bigger, like the bigger you make the coffee, because I'm making a little cup. So like if a cup is bigger, so I do one Latin, and the Latin comes in a set of 2. So the Latin comes in a set of 2. I get that for the price of 1 Delgado, but the Delgado tastes like real coffee. The Latin have flavor. So now 1 sachet, 1 packet of the Latin, and then like one nice, I don't know, it's not a tablespoon, like probably 2 tablespoons of I don't know, make it to your taste. That thing suppresses your appetite so much. Yesterday, the only meal I had yesterday was 6 boiled eggs, because I said, my mom tells me I have a whole bag in my fridge. I mean, I said, boy, I'm not going to have egg till the shell. Remember? So I have egg left back in the fridge. So I think I'm going to be doing that again today. 1 meal a day. 6 boiled eggs before 6 p.m. and I drink a lot of water. Yesterday I drank 3 glasses of my 22-ounce cup. I don't know how much that is. Is that a gallon? How much gallon? How much like a gallon? 2, 1, 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 6, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. No. But that's what I drank. I drank 3 of those yesterday. Do not throw the stone at anybody. Don't throw it up. Why must you throw the stone up, Jaleel? Why did you throw the stone up? Jesus wept. Yeah. So 1 pocket. Yes. It is a whole heap of boiled eggs, but in my mind, I'm gonna put salt on it because in my mind, I haven't eaten anything. I just thought of eggs and sausages. If you're a follower, tell me what I'm thinking. Anyway, so yeah, so it's 6 boiled eggs. I'm like, ugh. But the 4th one, I was like, this is nasty. I don't eat it anymore. But I wasn't really hungry either. I just ate it because I knew I had to eat something. I was not hungry. I'm not talking from morning. But mind you, I've been drinking a lot of water as well. And because I'm doing my body contouring service at Cat Layer, you have to drink a lot of water because that flushes out as well. Baby, look at me. Look at me. Look. Come on now. And I started waist training today. And this is a medium. I could not fit this at all. From a combat down from Florida and I couldn't fit it. My midsection was bigger. I couldn't fit it. Jaleel, stop, Jaleel, car. See your friends, Jaleel, stop, car. Jaleel, stop, car. You say hi to Uman. You say hi. That's it, Jaleel. See Uman there? Well, one off.
Alexa, no mommy.
She name Alexa?
Yeah, Alexi.
Alexi. Okay.
Alexia.
Okay.
Right, Chaka?
Okay. So don't eat too much eggs, high cholesterol. Oh, okay, yeah. The eggs will go straight to your butt. You're fine. Oh, okay. Break it up. See, I can't break it up. I can't do 3 portions because the aim is to just eat 1 go. When we eat 1 go, then let my belly full. But I'm telling you, bro, this morning I woke up 1:53 and oh yes, and like from where I live from the gym, this is so long. Where I live from the gym, it's to get there I have to walk and I have to leave out like hella early in the morning. Mommy's really worried, and because mommy's worried, I am worried, mama worried, because they know I'm walk on the dog by myself. But I'm like, how the hell is I gonna get to the gym? Plus me jogging to the gym, like jog walk is cardio, and the fear that comes with jog walking so early in the morning is helping with my cardiovascular system. So the blood is pumping, my heart is racing. So yeah, this morning I see one dog, I must blood cleanser. So I like walk around with it now. So I have to take up 2 big stones. And after I reach far, then the dog start back. But he wants me, I look back, and I look back, and I look back. Jalil truck.
Mommy, what happened to the dog and you?
Not never. He was barking at me. I thought he was going to bite me. It's okay, Papa. I'm right here. I'm right here.
Mommy,
The truck.
Mommy, if a dog bites
Yeah.
camera then, yeah?
Alright, don't say that again on the live. Okay, Papa. Oh my God. Yeah, truck gone. Truck gone. Bye-bye, truck. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, the truck stopped. No, go, truck. Do not stop. Truck, go. Yeah, so, when I got back from the gym this morning, I was 151 pounds. I have not seen that weight in months. And I knew it's because of what I ate yesterday, because so I need to find like a smaller meal portion. So I probably can do like 2 boiled eggs, a tin of sardine or a tin of tuna. Because I want to up my protein, because I don't know if y'all know, but I love when like when it dimple, I love when it dimple, because I say it's gonna need for dimple, because like when I go hold on, and if it not dimple, I'm gonna slip off, come over too smooth. So I said I have like a dimple, like a little grip, you know, like some holders. I don't want it smooth out, but I want it to lift up. Because my butt's like flat. So yeah, so my trainer Dennis, oh my God, my trainer is boss. He knows the body, he knows how to build a body. I trust my body and my goals with Dennis. So everybody say, no, why don't you just do what you're doing yourself? You know, not everybody was saying, why don't you just do it yourself because you know what to do? I'm like, I know what to do, but I need to level up. And this man is trained. I'm not trained. I'm just watching YouTube and putting 2 and 2 together, which is 7, by the way. 2 and 2 is 7. Dummy. But yeah, that's the point. Yeah. So I'm going to do probably 2 boiled eggs. No, 3 boiled egg, and then either a tin of sardine or a tin of tuna. Fun fact: the sardine is one of my favorite foods. I eat it starch or pepper and with ketchup. Oh. Now I'm not a sardine, but I'm on water. But you know, if I know it's sardine, give God thanks. Hallelujah. Hallelujah, Father God. Oh God, I hope Auntie Nadine now watch this. Oh mad. Do not sleep. Remember, I was still losing weight, you know, when I was eating burger, KFC, pizza, but it was just one time for the day. 1 meal a day. That's what OMAD means. 1 meal a day. And because my meal is like small and it's packed with protein, yeah, so yeah, that's what I'm going to do. But that's what I've been doing for this week. So I have the video on TikTok, with me being 153, then 151 in like 2 hours. Let's see what tomorrow looks like. And for a while, I'm going to get really serious now. For a while, I couldn't. Why Auntie Batilla still watch me? Oh my God, she hear me so much. You want to put on the mosquito the spray? Alright, go for you know where it is. Alright, I'm gonna go for it. But we still go inside, Papa, because we have to go up and do your work, yeah? Come still come off of the live. But no, I'm going to sit on the fly, yeah? Huh? Exa, why Jolly say yeah, I'm girlfriend? But, and that's a go on under a tree at daytime. Watch out! Could Jalil wave? Jalil, man, your hand drop off, Jalil. No, Jalil. I don't know what it is, but Jalil refuses to talk to younger women. Jalil refuses, as in refuse. Like you say, like a baby, move on, just go straight to our mother. Father God. Stop. Do not go there. Why would you do that? You can't go up on the road, Jalil. about carrying Jonathan. No, come on, to up and do more because I have tabs today. I have tabs today and I'm doing. Huh? What? Jesus Christ. Jelly, his name is DeAndre. D? Say D? On? No, Jelly can't say every other word. Every other word. But every time he said DeAndre, him said daddy. You know what I'm going to do? What am I do now? Jelly, we send you up in it. We send you up in to the winner of the taxi, and the taxi man drive rough. Blow out Jelly, leave out and lick your hands. Damn it, I'm say, damn man, Jelly, driver, please take your time. I took him in the car. By the way, what the taxi them drive so? Two of them go man today for buy one bulb. Come true, because I have one light something, so I'm gonna buy one bulb. No, you're not gonna have no. For Sue go inside, I'm gonna wrap up. And both of the taxi them kept on driving fast. My face, I have to remind them twice, please take time and drive my kids. If I leave me alone, sir, it's fine. But my boys are in the car. They're not understand me. I try to preserve feeding life. Can I really? I feed them life, I preserve, you know, because I have a vivid. I see how I'm going to react. Yes, Papa. I don't understand what you're saying. He's not saying road. What you're saying? It's not road. You're saying it's road. You want to go on the road? You want to go, Claudia? No, I have sweet in my bag. I didn't give me sweetie for you. I have sweet in my bag. Yeah, but we're going to go. We're going to go inside now, okay? Yeah. So I'm going inside now. Come on, get up and do more. Papa ready here? Alright, so that really want to know. 153. So that's all I want to say. It was 153 this morning, 155 Saturday, 151 now. 153 this morning, 151 2 hours after this, in the same this morning. That video is on my TikTok. The work that I did is on my TikTok as well. I do the Latin coffee from TLC with lime juice. You can use lemon if you want. And the bigger, the more you make, the longer you will go unhungry. If that makes sense. And I still do I started doing my energy and my NutriBurst same time because you know I go to gym. Juice, you want juice? A juice you want? Jelly, you want juice? Juice. You want road? You want to go on the road? Road? You want to? Blood cleanse. I have no go inside. Alright guys, I have to go. Jonathan and buy it up. Come papi. What happened? You need help? You want Jelly him name DeAndre. Please just say DeAndre. Come, Jana. What do you mean make him stay in there? Oh, say don't want to be waiting on him to come in the house. That's what you mean. Can you just want to open your work? Alright then, cool. Okay, to get your work out of the way. I'm going to pick up Jelly's school bag. Come. See me or see him come back. I'm going to fall asleep. Alright guys, love you. I'm going to save this live. Bye. I did that. No behavior, ladies. I said call him D. Call him and say D. Daddy. Jelly, just do him on.